Alright, so it's time for some tooltips. Yep, and let's go ahead and set up our config first. We'll say show tooltips equals true. Tooltip config. And there's a tooltip fill. Tooltip border radius 7, font size 12, font weight 400, and text anchor middle. We get our color right there. And come down here to the bottom. Data and data.length is greater than 0, and show tooltips and render tooltips. Const render tooltips. Alright, we get our gap. It's going to be our Y gap. We get our Y max. And our Y value gap from calculate height. We get our gap. This is going to be our X gap. Equals calculate width. Animated opacity equals new animated dot value. Make sure that's capital 0. And we'll say animated dot timing animated opacity, and then our config. We need 2 value is 1. We'll put a delay on here of 500. So we'll let the bar go up and then we'll show the tooltip. Duration is 500. And use native driver is true. Do not forget the start. I always do that. And return data.map item index. Say const x is equal to x margin times 2 plus x gap times index. Const y is equal to the y max minus the item with the value of the y key, and we multiply that times the y gap divided by the y value gap plus the y margin. And that needs to be subtract. And then we just return a G with the key, tooltip, and animated SVG text, and inside that text is going to be item Y key, and our properties for that, X is going to equal X, Y is going to equal Y minus, we'll try 5, text anchor, tooltip config dot text anchor. We could have destructured this stuff, I suppose. Font weight tooltip config.font size fill and opacity. We could say animated. Or 1. Let's try it out. Oh, this needs to be an X gap. That needs to have a capital W. And that needs to be a little k. Details, details. Alright, and then our text is white, so let's go change that. And I believe should be the delay 500, duration 500 use. We press R and reload. There we go. Alright. So that's pretty decent. I would probably change some colors up. Not a big fan of the way these colors look, but you get the idea. It's all configurable. So yeah, that's going to wrap up our bar chart. We still have to do a pie chart, and I wanted to do a box plot because that is going to be a ton of fun, and I think we might do the box plot